First things first, we have to remove the Harley Davidson Sundowner seat. This is the $200 seat that I made a video about earlier, and we're going to rip this off. I think it looks too fat here, big and fat, and it's just not supportive enough. So off with the seat, and it's pretty simple. Pull off one screw here, and pretty much once that screw's undone, pull the washer out, and the seat, she gone. It is no more, but you can see my Öhlins spring. Might as well check out Öhlins while we're here. It's a good thing, I like it. And it's got a nice preload knob as well. Anyway, moving on. We now have to take this this one out, put it up here, and we take this one out and we just put a filler in there because we're not going to have any passenger or pillion pads on there anymore. So the good thing about pulling these out is I can get my hand under the guard and flick these little sections off. Put the new one on, just like that. Take the old one off and we give it a clean so it can have a blanking plate put in there. I use a bit of Scratch X, that just gets the marks off. And then it also brings up the clear so it's nice and clean. Luckily I haven't got too many marks from the other seat, so they polish out nicely. These are our blanking plugs. They have a little notch on the back, and that's at the top of the Harley logo. So when you put it in, just make sure the top of the Harley logo is there, and it's all good to go, just like that. Same again with this one. Just little blanking plate in there, and that's pretty much it. Seat's ready to go on. When you get the seat, you get this little label, remove, rotate, reattach and install. And we're talking about this bar sticks out so you can attach the seat. Pretty simple to do. A couple of screws. I'm holding the seat on my knee while I do this. Pull him off, turn him around, do him back up. Not too hard, not too much to it. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. Like so. Pull off the label, pull off the little rubber mount. So here's something interesting. The Saddlemen supply all these little rubber things to put underneath your seat bolt. That's the black one. Maybe the red one. But you'll notice that the red one has like a little indentation there, and the black one doesn't. A bit like this. Nice and flush. Fits perfectly. If we put the black one on, it doesn't have that little recess section, which does fit. So pick and choose, red or black. Righto, let's go. Put the seat on, tab goes in there nicely. And we'll put the black one on and have a look. adjust the seat a little bit. And you can use the Saddlemen nut, but I'm just going to use the factory nut for the minute. And we'll have a look what that looks like. Just like that. Looks pretty good. So there's the seat with the black protector and just a standard Harley bolt. And there it is with the red little protector. What do you reckon looks better? Let us know in the comments. And as simple as that, the seat's done. What do you reckon? Big change, I think. I like it. It shows the guard off on a Fatbob. That looks awesome. And here it is. It's pretty good. Again, with this one, we have the red Saddlemen stitching, have the black outside stitching, and the red diamond pattern, which looks good. And again, notice that the seat, it's a bit hard to see in the black, but the seat does not touch the fuel tank in any way, shape or form, but it does fit down here nice and snug. Follow the guard up. Really well made, lovely fabric. It'll be interesting to see how it turns out. Okay, how supportive does it feel? Okay, rightio, nice width, 13.5 inches here in the width. I don't think for tall people you could have anything less than that. It just wouldn't feel nice. The back section here is supportive, legs up, doesn't feel too high. Not sure, you'd have to have a look. Tell me whether my knee's sitting up or down. I'll soon see, but it feels comfortable. Feels very supportive at the back. Like that. Feels supportive at the front, and it doesn't feel too firm, which is really nice. I think it totally changes the look of the bike. Really does look good. So I'm going to take the nut off the back, and I'm going to put the Saddlemen locking nut on there. It just goes, has like a little black cover that goes over it. You supply it with a little key, and I just think that finishes off the back of the bike. It's a much cleaner finish, I reckon, for the back of the bike. If you use their little locking nut, and this little black, matte black surround looks better. And I don't mind it with the little red washer underneath. It's pretty good. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's just about my last mod I need to do for my 2022 Fatbob.